How to fix YouTube search not working on iPhone. Is YouTube search bar not working or showing no results? Here's how to fix it. If you use YouTube in Safari, try clear browsing data. It helps restore functionality. First close the YouTube app and restart it. It may be a temporary glitch. Reopen the app. Use the voice search option to bypass any input box with the text speech. Click on the microphone icon right here. And now your search bar should be working just fine, just like new. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.